everybody, welcome back to TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1. Are you ready for some fresh hair? We're going to take a look at another style I selected for my affordability series this year, and we're going to take a look at one by Hairdo. I'm actually going to do an unboxing for you just in case you have never explored this brand. I think there's some incredible value with this brand. So today we're going to unbox and review one of the brand new ones by Hairdo. It's called Breezy Wave Cut. It's in the color Glazed Cinnamon R3025S Plus. The full unboxing, review, and styling coming up. So the Hairdo brand is actually made by Hair You Wear. And Hair You Wear also makes Raquel Welch line and the Gabor line. So you might see some similarities in colors and things like that. But I believe that it is a really nice value. This is basically a no frills brand, and that actually includes the packaging here as well. It's just a very thin box. It's always been sufficient to protect the wig on all the styles that I've received by Hairdo. But there's a thin box, like a cake box, and it opens up the same way as a cake box might, like a bakery box. So there we go, and on the inside you'll find the wig. All of the cardboard forms to protect the wig are there. The wig actually has a hair nut on it, and they also always send you a little wig liner, a nylon wig liner. So you typically don't see a lot of paper inside, tissue paper and things. But this is what she looks like. I'll take the net off here. Boy, that's a beautiful color. Beautiful red. Wow. So the Breezy Wave Cut is supposed to be a short curly bob cut with bangs. And I think it's a very popular style actually, because I was going to get it in 1488 because I knew I wanted to keep it for myself, but it was sold out in that color at this time. So let's get up close on this color while I can move it real close to the camera. This is gorgeous. It's a medium auburn shade. And then what I'm seeing in here, I'm picking out some medium and some light copper blonde, like some bright copper blonde. And it seems like the highlights might be a little more intense on the top and in the front. And then like a little bit of an ombre, it just sort of gets darker as you move down, and that's just because of the absence of highlights there at the bottom. Very well done. Beautiful color and beautiful application of the color. So I think this looks very much so far like the manufacturer's photo. Lots of choppy texture. Kind of tousled and choppy. It puts me in mind of something from Tress. Kind of an air dried look. And then it's straighter here on the top where the bangs are. I'm having a hard time looking down into permatease. This is not a rooted shade. Seems like there's plenty of fiber there to obscure permatease, and it's not stuck to the cap where you have to pry it off with a crowbar just to make it look realistic. I think they did a good job on this one. So it's just an open cap that you're going to see with Hairdo No Frills brand again, but they have some really beautiful features. So this is a velvet front piece there, super comfortable, and then some open wefting, permatease, lots of wefting throughout. There's an open ear tab. Those ear tabs are super minimal. In fact, I don't think there's any stays in. Maybe there is. It's a very weak stay in there. So if you need a lot of extra ear tab coverage, we're going to have to check that out. There's an extended open nape here and Velcro adjusters. Some pretty nice features at this price point. Let's go ahead and apply the style, and I will give you my first impressions of the fit. Again, no adjustments were made or anything. It looks like a huge cap. I mean, I can tell when I look inside of a cap when it kind of gaps right here a little bit, and it looks like it might fit a small elephant. I'm a little concerned about the size. We'll see. Oh, okay. All right. Right away, this is just gonna pop right off of a petite circumference. It is so large. And you know, the other hairdo styles that I've had, they don't seem to be that large on me. I'm sure I had to make some adjustments, but I could always do so securely. So let's go ahead and take these adjusters in as far as they can go. So what I did was I kind of butted up those adjusters against each other. Let's try again. Okay. So if you are average petite to petite, this is going to be a difficult cap for you to wear. I think this would be beautiful for an average large to a large circumference based on this sample piece that I have. Now, it's super cute, isn't it? So a lot of times I can make, if I like the style enough, I will make adjustments. I guess I would rather have a cap be too big than too small and not be able to do much about it. But isn't this cute? Really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on a wig grip so that I can tousle it around and do a little review for you, plus take you outdoors for a look. Hang in there. All right, I went ahead and slipped this on again and just made sure that it was all even. I didn't put a wig grip in, but I did crisscross the adjusters because I won't be in this style very long and I don't plan to keep it. So here we go. I think it's really cute. So when I took it out, I just shook it a little bit, put it on, like I said, and just plucked those fibers in the top just a little bit. And again, not seeing too much permatease there on the top, even though this is not a rooted color. And the curl is just as cute as can be, like a tassel air dried curl. Has a lot of volume. So in the front, it's about a 4.75 inch bang here. And then in the back, about a 7-inch crown and a 5-inch nape. It comes together to be about 10 inches from the crown to the bottom of the hair. There's some layering on the sides. You saw that it was an open cap, and it weighs just over 3 ounces. It feels really lightweight on my head. There's very little permatease in this cap, just a fine layer of permatease so far as I can tell. Nothing too thick or heavy. And sometimes with the curly style, you can see a lot more permatease. But I really don't see a whole lot of permatease or feel a whole lot of permatease. Now the bangs just want to come down and kind of hug the head. There's no contour, they're not going to lift up, and that's okay because we really want to obscure that wig line. But I wanted to take and look at these ear tabs. You know, that's about average coverage for me. I was a little concerned about that ear tab. Honestly, guys, this cap is too large for me to wear. Even with the wig grip, I just wouldn't feel comfortable wearing it out. I've already got the adjusters crisscrossed and it still feels like it's just gonna slide right off. So any of you out there that have bought a hairdo style recently and can comment on the fit of the cap, whether it runs average, small, large, in your experience, that would be great, because my feeling is maybe this is just a one-off situation, or it may be a trend. So again, lots of volume here just because of the curly nature of the style. The density is just an average density. It doesn't feel too thick, and like I said, the permatease is minimal. be really cute to style. I think there's a number of things that you can do there with the bangs and some tucks. Just some things to cute it up, do a little bit of accessories. Let's try with glasses. I expect the glasses to fit nicely between the ear and the ear tab. Let's see. Yes, it really does. The glasses fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab. There's very little permatease there, and as I stated, those ear tabs are very minimal. Thanks for joining me today for a look at this Breezy Wave Cut by Hairdo in the color Glazed Cinnamon R3025S+. See you next time on TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1.